re-engineered technology and marketing for the future of real estate. This is VRLY, set to change the world of real estate at radically fast speeds. VRLY is optimizing hardware and software solutions to integrate into your business. VRLY is pushing the most powerful technology and marketing into your brokerage to launch you generations ahead. VRLY takes innovation further, giving you a dramatic advantage over your market. The custom 6D solutions, Lidar Scanner Depth mapping, near-field communications, and so much more is put directly into your brokerage. Take your listings and unlock a new world of possibilities in augmented reality. With VRLY, break the benchmark of expectation. Today's real estate industry now counts on VRLY as an essential leader for technology and marketing integrations. All this and more make VRLY one of the most powerful brokerage partners ever.